Hey guys, look who it is!
What's up, man?
Ken HOFFBAUER.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Are we live?
Yeah. No, we're not live. No, I'm just recording so I could post it. Ken HOFFBAUER, blazing years in the house.
Chicago.
In Chicago, man. It's good to see you, my man.
Good. I want to go back to warm weather.
You're looking good, dude.
Thanks, man. Nice to see you. Nice to meet you.
Forget Chicago, dude. Forget Chicago. Go back to Florida, man. Go back to Florida,
Yeah, let me show you something.
All right, let's see what Ken's got. Let's see what Ken's got, guys. So, we're by Ken's truck, guys. He's got something to show us. So it looks like it's the Air 2S, people. Look at that.
So that's the bag I use normally.
Open up his bag.
So I got the Air 2.
Got the Air 2, guys. And the Mini 2. Look at Ken travels with his drones, guys. It's a must. Look at that. Who made those?
Mel from 400 AGL.
Look at that. Mel made those, guys. And Mel has if you guys want to get your 107, Mel has a discount better than Ken Herron's. It's $99, guys. So yeah, it's so good to see you, Ken. Look at that. Wait till everyone sees you.
When I travel, I bring my grill.
Yeah. Ken's a busy man. He's on the road, guys. You must miss your family, Ken.
I do. Hopefully I'll get over there.
Look at that. From Florida to cold Chicago right now. But the weather's getting better here. It is. So, well, me and Ken are gonna talk, guys. We'll see you guys later. And Ken, go. So Ken, wanna open it?
No, we're
Wanna
not opening
open
it up right now. That'll be done tonight.
Oh, this is so beautiful. I can't wait to get mine. Mine's on the way, dude. Well, they're putting the order in and they're gonna mail it to me. So, yeah, this is a good product, guys. Way better than the Air 2.
I'm still all over the place with this thing. Hang on.
It's okay, don't worry about it.
There you go.
So yeah, this is an awesome product. This has got the master what's it called? Master shots.
I saw that it has up to 8 zoom.
Yeah, 8 zoom, 5.4K, and the obstacle avoidance. Yeah, so when the drone flies this way, so it's gonna cover the obstacle avoidance when it's flying really fast this way. So, and then the bottom ones will cover the bottom this way. So yeah, it's a great drone. Congrats, Ken. Congrats.
From Ray Kelly got one too, and I know he's gonna love the 8K because he likes to fly up, and instead of flying over to the stuff, he likes to zoom in so it looks like he's close to it.
Yeah.
Ray, I didn't say that.
Yeah. Well, Ray likes his DJIs, you know.
He does.
So yeah, so he's thinking about getting that Fimi Mini too. He said he's thinking.
Is he
about it.
really?
Yeah. So we'll see how it is, man. They're already having problems with the shipping, but I don't know. People are having issues with their shipping. That's why I don't order stuff from China and stuff. If I'm gonna buy, I'll buy things on Amazon or a local.
Something once from Banggood, and it took forever to get to me.
Yeah. You want coffee? You want a cup of coffee?
Yeah, definitely.
good to see Ken. He came to visit, my pal Ken, but he's gonna have to go now. So it's his time to leave, but we are gonna meet up again. We're gonna get together, we're gonna fly, but he's got things to do. He's a busy man. So let's say bye to Ken. Bye.
That's all I got.
All right, drive safe, Ken.
I will. Yeah, I see you.
Fist bump.
Nice to meet you.
Hold on. Fist bump. All right.
I'll see you later.
All right, I'll see you. All right, there goes Ken, guys. Ken's leaving. He's saying goodbye. Peace out, Ken.